So today I want to show you guys some lip liner tips and tricks featuring the brand Obsidian Glam. The first lip liner I'm going to use is called Divine. This is a medium brown lip liner. It's kind of one of those barely there colors, at least it is on my skin tone. If you're more so in the NC45 and up range, it is a deeper color. But I'm going to use this lip liner all over my lips, and then I'm going to go in with a deeper liner to define it. I love doing this, one, because when I do apply lipstick or gloss, I do find that it tends to last a little bit longer, but also I get to make the most out of the colors that I do have. So for example, I'm going to show you guys 4 different lip liners today, so you can kind of use them in different ways. Now I'm going in with the deeper liner to define it, a deeper brown liner. Now that I've applied the Divine lip liner all over my lip, I'm going to go in and define it using Chestnut lip liner. This is a deeper brown liner. It's about 3 to 4 shades deeper than the Obsidian Glam liner that I use all over my lip. Now I'm going back in with the Divine lip liner, adding more of that all over. The next thing I'm going to use is the Pretty Privilege Glam Gloss. I absolutely love this gloss. The packaging is beautiful. It's one of those perfect neutral shades that I love to use. You can literally put it on top of anything. And the best thing about it is that it's not very sticky or tacky. You're actually going to see me put a lot of this on, but it's fine because again, it's a really thin texture. But you can literally put it on top of anything, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Imagine pulling that out of your purse. Great conversation starter. So I'm going in and adding a little bit more of the gloss. I'm going back in with the Chestnut lip liner because this lip liner and gloss that I use is so neutral, I do want it a little more defined. So I'm just going in and adding a little more of the deeper brown lip liner. So next I'm actually using a eyeliner. This is Smolder eyeliner. It is a black eyeliner. I'm actually using that just in the corner of my lips. You can use a black eyeliner to darken any lip liner that you currently have. Because I don't want any harsh lines, I'm blending that eyeliner with a flat concealer brush. The next lip liner that I'm using by Obsidian Glam is called Wealthy. This is a deep burgundy liner. Next, I'm going to go in with that flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend my lip liner. Dazzleglass all over the Wealthy Lip Liner. As far as lip liners go, you don't need every single color. If you have a brown, a red, a burgundy, a pink, and a neutral, that's pretty much all you need. The next lip liner that I'm using is called Bossy. This is a deep red lip liner. I am lining my lips with this liner. I am also going to shade the sides in with this liner and blend it with the brush as I did with the previous lip liners. So over this lip liner, I'm using again the Pretty Privilege lip gloss by Obsidian Glam. Like I said, you can literally put this color on top of anything, and you normally probably wouldn't think to use a red lip liner in a neutral gloss, but this is a great way to add color to your lips without doing a red all over. I'm gonna go back in with the red lip liner just for a little bit more definition. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope that you'll try something new. And also, definitely please go to obsidianglam.com to check out the products. Thank you for watching. Bye.